What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. In today's video we are going to race for pink slips with that tuned 435. That thing has crazy mods. It has like full M4 interior in it. I honestly don't know what kind of mods it has because we didn't really go through that yet, but we're about to find out. We just gotta go to Mexico real quick to race, you know?
Yeah, quick trip to Mexico.
Quick trip to Mexico, yeah. I wanna drive that.
Honestly, at this point, I think he could take you, bro.
I wanna drive that.
Hey, bro, but are you getting flashbacks from your M4?
Yeah, I'm a BMW guy.
Dude, your M4 was sick though. Pearl white.
Sick, yeah.
Man.
I missed that thing. I traded in for a G-Wagon. I didn't really trade it in. I sold it to buy a G-Wagon. Oh well. We'll have another one soon, right?
Pretty soon, yeah.
They're actually kind of dropping on value right now, so I might pick one up from copart to rebuild, who knows?
Yeah, we could possibly pick. There was what, the 2021.
Yeah,
which
you know what would be
sick?
The M4, the track edition one.
Ooh.
Well, it was sunny the whole week. It was
Legit.
crazy.
Yeah.
It was like 80. The whole week it was sunny, you know? And everybody knows it doesn't rain in California. It's like almost impossible.
Especially in May, dude.
Not even in the winter doesn't even rain in California. Barely. That's why we're in drought.
Yep.
You know? And out of nowhere it just decides to rain today.
Look at the weather, guys.
So we gotta keep this thing up here, right?
Top.
This top. I hate this. I hate this soft top. I hate soft tops on every car. Doesn't matter what car it is. I personally just hate soft tops. I'm kind of curious how this would look with the hard top, though.
It would look sick. Honestly, same. Yeah. I prefer the
Who
hard
knows?
tops.
What if it would look weird? See, my M4 was a hard top convertible.
Uh-huh.
I mean, obviously, I prefer a hard top, but I still hate it. The coupes are way better. That's a coupe right there. The way it like slicks in the back is just perfect. The M4 kind of drops down. It's like the trunk is super long, which I really hated. And I remember I had a problem with my M4 where my convertible wasn't going down, and I thought I had a problem trying to like figure out. But you know, you have to open the trunk and put the little tail, this little plastic piece, this little lever. You gotta put it down in order for the M4 the convertible to drop down. It was weird. So learned that the hard way.
How much money did you spend on that?
I don't remember. It was a while back. I think I took it to like electrician and stuff to ask him to figure out the problem because I didn't know what was happening. My lift thing wasn't going down. But yeah, I think I found it on Google. And I put it down, it just goes down. I'm like, oh my god.
All right, guys, we finally took the off-road vehicle. What a savage! Racing.
Alright, guys, we're racing for pink slips right now. It's going backwards. Hey, Papa Yui, we're here. Alright, guys, so this is the car that we're gonna lose to pretty much. So it's a modded 435, right?
It's modded.
it's everything's on there is not 435.
Nothing.
I don't know exactly what you have tuned, so you could just kind of explain a little bit. Have a walk around the car. It's sick though.
So yeah, in terms of bolt-ons, this thing has everything. Like I'm pretty sure, I think I'm just missing a boost pipe. It has everything from like a blow-off valve, intake, charge pipe, intercooler, tune, everything, like a whole bunch of stuff, oil coolers. I forget them, you know, I'll forget all of them. So there's so much things under this car. In terms of the interior as well, I did convert it to kind of an M4 interior,
sick.
custom steering wheel, custom seat belts. all that good stuff, and it's bagged, so that's awesome. So yeah, the car is tuned stage 2. Hopefully, not hopefully, but when I blow the turbos, I will go stage 3. But as for now, I think like perfectly set with it. I don't know how much money I put into this, so don't ask me.
On a scale of 1 to 10, how confident are you feeling in those?
You know, to be honest with you, because the stakes, I did cut a line. No, I'm kidding.
Hey, why are you sweating, bro? Why are you sweating?
Hey, I love the hood though. I already mentioned the hood a few times
The
actually.
hood's sick, yeah.
I love the hood.
It's one of my favorite mods.
Yeah. But that's original hood from the M4, the
GTS.
Yeah, right, there you go, GTS.
I said CS.
I don't know how I forgot that. I don't know how I forgot that. Yeah, GTS. So it's pretty much the GTS is what, like a track edition kind of?
Yeah, track edition, which is like actually like 5 times more than this, twice as an M4. So yeah, no, I just got the hood.
Hey, you're one panel closer to it.
Yeah, exactly. So
the hood is from the GTS. The seats are from an M4. All the tunes combined is pretty much more power than the M4 stock. So
yeah.
It's not even a 335 anymore. It's a
435, yeah.
I'm at 435. Sorry.
Dang! I'm holding you back. I'm holding you back. Just my KO into his head.
Oh man.
Yeah.
Oh, boy.
All right, let's get this track.
Yeah, I need to
Look at
win.
that road.
I'm trying to win a Lambo, so.
Getting nervous? Oh boy, he's a little nervous.
I lost way too much traction.
Dude, it's slippery.
I was doing a straight burnout.
Hey, he lost traction. Redo it. No, what happened?
Oh man!
It's the tire. It's the back wheel drive.
Damn. Hey, he was pretty close. Surprisingly, he to be honest.
Yeah, I wasn't going all the way.
Oh, bro.
Oh, here you go. Huh? Yeah, but the sky's the limit. I have to try it. That's crazy. That sounds.
We should off-road his BMW. Slam it and then off-road.
That sounds.
Straight up popcorn. You want some popcorn, bro?
Save a BMW.
Honestly.
All right, guys. So we're definitely not. We're not gonna take his car.
Thank you.
He's just gonna take me out for coffee.
So yeah,
I think it's fair.
I'm down. 100%.
We did not know it was gonna rain, and
Yeah.
back wheel drive BMW. I had an M4. It's the traction it's horrible. You know, it just skids. Like third gear, it will still be spinning. Plus, this thing got so much tunes, and he's actually planning a lot more tunes for this. I'm pretty sure it's gonna be faster for Performante once he's done.
Pretty soon,
Because
yeah.
Pretty soon, I'm gonna send it hard. Yeah.
so you guys go on his channel. It's going to be on the link below.
Yep.
Subscribe to it. He's actually going to make this thing a lot faster than Performante. You just began building it.
yeah. So I only had it for a couple months.
To begin building it and already have it at this stage right now, you already know some crazy stuff is coming.
Yeah.
Crazy
Yeah.
stuff.
Straight up facts right there.
Crazy
up.
stuff. All right, let's get some donuts.
All right, let's send it. Why not?
Oh, that's sick. Sounds so good. Damn.
God. You do like a backwards burnout? Yeah. You ever see like in a Need for Speed with
That's a dude, they're about to close this intersection also.
We gotta get out of here.
We really do.
Hey, good thing we're in Mexico.
Yeah, good thing. Yeah, good point. I mean, Mexico's it's pretty close.
Back right now.
Yeah, you're right. Actually, never mind. Yeah, you're right. He's right.
All right.
Well, this will be it for today's video. Thanks to Nour for actually coming out. It was a fun.
Yeah, no, thanks for bringing fun experience. We got to drive a Lambo.
Yeah, so we had some fun, you know, just basically fun. Yeah, that's it.
Yeah, I mean, this is the first time we ever got to make a video together, even hanged out. So like,
Yeah,
hopefully more videos to come.
We've been planning. The thing is, our shops are literally like
5 minutes.
even half a mile, like half a mile down.
Not even 5 minutes.
Yeah, it was really quick.
It's right there, literally next street. So yeah, so we're looking. So maybe who knows? Maybe we'll just build something in the future together.
I'm down to do a little collab build. Hell yeah. Yeah, that'd be sick.
Flash Performante build.
Oh, I mean, we have a time to save up though.
We'll do something. We'll do
Right, it'll
something.
be fun though. I'm so down. Yeah.
All right, guys. Well, don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And we will catch you in the next video.